This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kathy Stouffer. Stunning corner end unit at Gleneagle Villas in Semiahmoo. This beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo features a great floor plan with upscale features like granite counters, oak flooring, and vaulted ceilings. The large dining room and open concept living space is great for entertaining and flows out to covered patio that overlooks the pond. Primary suite is spacious with walk-in closet and updated bathroom west/walk-in shower. Enjoy peaceful surroundings, a secure gated entry, and convenient amenities including large laundry room, gas fireplace and 2-car garage with extra storage and workbench. With easy access to walking trails, golf, marine activities, and dining, this is the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Affordable living in Semiahmoo. For more information, review the details below.